Good morning, Room 22. It's your favorite, Mrs. Carson. I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about our quiz on Friday. I was able to go over our results, and I see a few of you are still making very similar mistakes. So I wanted to take time in our video today to talk about ways that to approach our word problems and to make sure you're following the directions, because many of you are not fully reading it, therefore you're making a lot of mistakes. So let's check it out. The first question dealt with making necklaces for the fall festival. So it says Mrs. Carey made 106 necklaces, right? Mrs. Carey. Then it says that Mrs. Carson made 39 more than Mrs. Carey. Does that mean that she only made 39 necklaces? Did I only make 39 necklaces? No. That means that I made 106 plus 39 because I made 39 more necklaces than Mrs. Carey. Many of you were just adding up this number and this number, which makes 145. I see some of you are probably nodding your heads. 145. Then you start to do some math using just this number. But wait a minute, is 145 the answer to number one, where it says Mrs. Carey made 106 necklaces, Mrs. Carson made 39 more than Mrs. Carey? How many necklaces did both teachers make? This is just what I made, because I made more than Mrs. Carey. Mrs. Carey made 106. What do we need to do? This is where many people messed up. If you know what I'm doing, that's great, but if not, check it out. In order to do number one, you needed to add both totals. So the trick here was that 39 is not how many I made. I made 39 more. So when we add 106 and 145, we get 251. So for that first question on that test, I was looking for 251. Now, if you weren't able to answer that one accurately, were you able to do the next question accurately? No, because you're working with the wrong number. So some of you may have seen, hey, wait a minute, Mrs. Carson, I used 145 to do the next question and that answer is not available. It's because you don't have the right amount for that first question. So let's check it out. We have 251 necklaces. Both teachers made 251 necklaces together. Now, the next question asks if both teachers used 101 beads per necklace, how many beads total were used? So what numbers am I going to use to do the multiplication? Well, how many necklaces were there? There were 251 necklaces. How many beads per necklace? 104. Your multiplication on your scratch paper should have looked like this. So what I'm going for here is you need to be able to calculate using standard algorithm how many beads total. So let's figure it out. Moving over. I have the ones place. My go number is here, number 4. 4 times 1, people, is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Put that 0 down. Do my plus 2 at the top. Then I'm going to have 4 times 2 is 8, plus that 2 gives me 1,004. Now, am I done? I know you guys are watching and you're saying, no, Mrs. Carson, you're not done. We're not done because we have these placeholders. Now, I have a 0 here. Do I need to continue? Technically, 0 times anything is 0. There are my placeholders. Now, let's do that ones. Is the 1 in the hundreds place? Yes, hundreds place. I have 2 placeholders to signify that my new go number is in the hundreds place. So now I'm going to do 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. Now I need to add everything up because in standard algorithm, you multiply each place value and then add up your total. So let's see what it is. I have 4, 0, 1, 6, 2 for 26,104. That is your answer to the second part of our quiz. If you didn't have the right number here, you would not have the correct number here. So what we need to focus on in this coming week is reading the entire problem correctly, not skipping ahead, and making sure you have the correct answer. Because if I had done it with 145 times 104, that answer is not an option on the Google form. You must follow directions. Make it a great week, guys. Good to see you. Bye.